back to the third video of how to beatbox. So after you watch this video, you will be able to do this. Or okay, so first of all, it's like the second video, but instead of going fast, you're just saying the T really fast. So, but you're making the T 3 times faster so you can be able to do this. First, just practice that. It's like, what are those called again? Or whatever those are, I think hi-hats? Yeah, if you hit a hi-hat, it's like that, but 3 times faster. So just add the normal, and then 3 times. Now if you want to, you can do, or you can do, or I like ka, but if you want to, you can do the other one. So from the first day, so I went from this, which was the first day, and now we're doing this. That's a pretty big improvement in 3 days. Okay. So, if you want, so just remember it's, but you're splitting that T into 3 T's. So 1 T, 3 T's. You make a so it's just like this, but you're making the T 3 times. It might sound like I'm doing the fast, but I'm doing a normal speed. So I guess that's it for this beatboxing video. See you on day 4.